Good morning, students. This is your science lecture, and today I'm going to explain you about digestion in grass-eating animals. Now, do you remember that in last lecture I have explained you about digestion in human beings? Okay, it is quite different here in animals or in grass-eating animals. Maybe you have observed that some animals like cow, buffalo, and other grass-eating animals they chew every time they chew something, they have something in their mouth which they chew continuously. Okay, actually, when they eat food they just swallow it and they store that food in a sac like organ which is called as rumen here. Okay, so I will tell you about rumen, that it is a sac like structure, okay, which is present between the food pipe and the small intestine. Okay, and it is present in only grass eating animals. All right, so at first the animals they do not chew their food, instead they swallow it. Okay, and this partially digested food is stored in the rumen, which is called as cud. Okay, this partially digested food which is stored in the rumen is called as cud. Okay, and this cud it returns back to their mouth, and then animals they chew it again. Okay, and the curd when it returns to their mouth and when they chew it again, so this process is called as rumination. Okay, this process is called as rumination. All right, and the animals which in which this process is found, it is called as, they are called as ruminants. All right, so animals those swallow the food at first and then chew it later on, they are called as ruminants. All right, now grass eating animals they can digest cellulose, which is a carbohydrate. All right, it is a carbohydrate. Cellulose is a carbohydrate which is present in leaves or in grasses, and it can be digested by grass eating animals only. We humans cannot digest it because we do not have a different kind of bacteria which is present in the stomach of these grass eating animals or these ruminants, which is present here in their stomach, but these bacteria, these type of bacteria are not present in our stomach. Okay, so cellulose or this type of carbohydrate can be digested by ruminants only. All right, and here you can see in the structure also, here it is present in between esophagus and the small intestine. Here it is rumen. Okay, here cud is stored. All right, and you can see other parts also: esophagus, small intestine, stomach, cecum, and large intestine.